Are we there yet?
Not yet. Are we there yet? Hey, how do you make this thing go forward?
We're Brett. Go that way. Come on.
Thanks for coming out, guys.
Thanks for having us.
So I can't blow this. Thanks for picking the hottest day of the year. I'm just kidding.
Oh, it's way better than forecast. What are you talking about?
It is way better than this.
We got the older ones over here.
Are you doing your YouTube shenanigans?
Probably.
I found a shell. Can you put it in your pocket? It has a snail in it. It doesn't. It's tiny.
Ow! Sandhurst.
And here's the other ones.
Oh, it's a crab. We're trying to crab in here. Crab in here.
There is a crab.
Get him out.
He's in the boat. Oh, he's the protector of the boat.
Come on. We have to get the good guy out. We have to get him out. Get him out. Get him out. I buried him. No, you have to get this guy out right now.
Get him out.
I don't like to touch it. I could. Okay.
Okay, bring him over here. Put him right here. Put him right here. Put him right here. Put him over here. Okay.
Yeah, nap time. These driftwood, that's so cool.
Dead Tree Island.
Yeah.
But then realized that thing still weighs 1,000 pounds.
Then all you need to do is hit the banner now for your chance to win.
Go!
You did so good. Parker, stop! Got it. Is that all? Not in the water.
Start picking up water balloons.
Whoever gets the no pieces wins. Oh no, my feet, they go.
There's a spot.
I'm a separator.
Gotta keep it separated.
What?
No!
We're trying to get to each other.
gotta keep-
I'm a separator.
You gotta keep it separated.
Oh.
Come on. You don't.
No.
There's no TikTok of that song yet?
I can make it.
My friend,
I'm a separator when it comes to a